NerdWallet Retirement Planner Honest review. Wait before using. Here's an honest, easy to understand review of the NerdWallet Retirement Planner based on the latest information available. NerdWallet Retirement Planner is a tool designed to help individuals assess their retirement readiness. It offers features such as retirement service projection, investment guidance, and retirement income planning. And here's the key pros about this platform, which is the advantages. They provide a range of features to assist in various aspects of retirement planning. They're also designed to be intuitive and accessible for users with a very level of financial knowledge. They also offer articles and guidance to help user understand retirement planning concept. And here's the downside, which is the limited personalization. The tools may not account for all individual financial situation, and also does not offer a direct management of retirement account. And here's the very conclusion about this platform, which is it is a solid choice for individuals seeking a comprehensive and user-friendly tools to assess their retirement readiness. It also particularly beneficial for those who are starting a plan for retirement, want to understand their financial standing. However, for more personalized advice or direct account management, consulting with a financial advisor may be beneficial.